Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook newsfeed not loading problem or Facebook newsfeed not updating problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Go back. Step 2. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook application. Search Facebook application. Tap on Facebook application. Again tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Click on search icon. Search Facebook application. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 4. Again open your Facebook apps. Tap on profile picture. Again tap on help and support. Tap on report a problem. Tap on continue a report a problem. Again tap on include. Tap on feed option. You can briefly explain your problem. My Facebook newsfeed not loading or not updating problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook newsfeed not loading or not updating problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.